At the grocery store. Fruits and vegetables.
Good morning. I'm looking for some fruits and vegetables. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for specifically?
I'm making a fruit salad, so I need some ripe bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and kiwis.
Sure. Our bananas are right here, and they're perfectly ripe. Our strawberries and blueberries are over in the berry section, and the kiwis are just down the aisle.
Great, thank you. Do you have any mangoes or pineapples?
Yes, we have both. The mangoes are right next to the kiwis and the pineapples are just across from them.
Perfect. Now, I'm also making a vegetable stir-fry. I need some bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and baby corn.
We have all of those. The bell peppers are in a variety of colors: red, yellow, and green. The broccoli is just next to them, and the snap peas and baby corn are in the refrigerated section.
Wonderful. How about some spinach and kale for a salad?
We have fresh spinach and kale right over here. They're both organic and locally grown.
Fantastic. I also need some avocados. Do you have any that are ripe?
Yes, our avocados are perfectly ripe and ready to eat. They're in the section with the other tropical fruits.
Excellent. I think that's all I need for now. Oh, actually, do you have any fresh herbs like cilantro or basil?
Yes, we have a whole section of fresh herbs. The cilantro and basil are right here, and we also have parsley, thyme, and rosemary.
Great. I'll take some of each. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a great day.
Meats and fishes.
Good afternoon. I was wondering if you could help me with some meat and fish selections for a dinner party I'm hosting this weekend.
Of course. What kind of meat are you looking for?
I'm thinking of making a roast beef, so I'd like a good cut for that.
Great. We have a few options for you. Our sirloin tip roast is a popular choice. It's lean and tender. Or, if you want something with a little more marbling, our rib roast is also excellent.
I'll go with the rib roast, please. And could you recommend a good fish to serve as an appetizer?
Certainly. Our salmon is always a hit. We have both wild-caught and farm-raised options. Or, if you're looking for something a little more unique, our ahi tuna is delicious and makes for a beautiful presentation.
I'll take some of the wild-caught salmon, please. And do you have any recommendations for seafood to add to a paella?
Yes, we have a great selection of seafood for paella. Our mussels and clams are always fresh, and we also have a variety of shrimp to choose from. Our jumbo shrimp would be a great addition to your paella.
Perfect. I'll take some of those as well. And do you have any suggestions for a meat to grill?
Of course. Our New York strip steaks are perfect for grilling. They have a nice balance of flavor and tenderness. Or, if you're looking for something a little different, our lamb chops are also great on the grill.
I'll take a couple of the New York strip steaks, please. And one last thing. Do you have any recommendations for a good smoked fish?
Definitely. Our smoked salmon is a customer favorite. It's made in-house and has a wonderful smoky flavor. We also have smoked trout and smoked whitefish, both of which are delicious.
I'll take some of the smoked salmon, please. Thank you for all your help. You've been incredibly knowledgeable and helpful.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. Let us know if you need any more assistance or if you have any further questions. Enjoy your dinner party.
Thank you. I'm sure it will be a hit with all of these delicious options. Have a great day.
Drinks and dairy products.
Hello. Can I get some help finding some beverages?
Of course. What kind of beverages are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for some milk alternatives. Do you have any options?
Yes, we have a variety of milk alternatives. We have almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, oat milk, and rice milk.
Great. Do you have any flavored options?
Yes, we have vanilla, chocolate, and unsweetened versions for each type of milk alternative.
I'll take a carton of vanilla almond milk, please. Do you have any other dairy products?
Yes, we have a wide selection of dairy products. We have different types of cheese, yogurt, butter, and cream.
Do you have any lactose-free options for those as well?
Yes, we have lactose-free cheese, yogurt, and butter. We also have lactose-free creamers for coffee and tea.
I'll take a tub of lactose-free yogurt and a stick of lactose-free butter. Do you have any non-dairy creamers?
Yes, we have non-dairy creamers made from almond, soy, and coconut milk, as well as a variety of flavored creamers like hazelnut and French vanilla.
I'll take a bottle of the hazelnut creamer. How about juices? Do you have any fresh juices?
Yes, we have fresh orange juice, apple juice, and grapefruit juice. We also have a selection of vegetable juices like carrot and beet juice.
I'll take a bottle of the fresh orange juice. Do you have any sparkling water or flavored water?
Yes, we have sparkling water in different flavors like lemon, lime, and raspberry. We also have flavored still water with fruit infusion like strawberry and kiwi, and cucumber and mint.
I'll take a pack of the raspberry sparkling water. Lastly, do you have any probiotic drinks?
Yes, we have a variety of probiotic drinks like kefir, kombucha, and probiotic shots with different flavors like blueberry, pomegranate, and mango.
I'll take a bottle of the blueberry kefir. Thank you for your help.
Dry grocery and condiments.
Good morning. I'm looking for some items in the dry goods section. Could you help me, please?
Of course, sir. What exactly are you looking for?
Well, I need some flour, sugar, and rice. I prefer whole grain flour and basmati rice if you have them.
Certainly, we have a variety of flours here. We have whole wheat, all-purpose, and gluten-free options. As for rice, we have basmati, jasmine, and long grain.
Great. I'll take a bag of whole wheat flour and a bag of basmati rice. Do you also have any dried beans or lentils?
Yes, we have a wide range of dried beans and lentils. We have black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, chickpeas, green lentils, and red lentils.
Perfect. I'll take a bag of chickpeas and a bag of green lentils. Do you also have any nuts and seeds?
Yes, we have almonds, walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds.
I'll take a bag of almonds and a bag of sunflower seeds. Now, for condiments, do you have any specialty salts or spices?
Yes, we have Himalayan pink salt and sea salt. As for spices, we have a wide variety including cumin, black pepper, turmeric, paprika, and coriander.
I'll take a jar of Himalayan pink salt and a bottle of cumin. Do you also have any oils or vinegars?
Yes, we have olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. We also have balsamic vinegar and apple cider vinegar.
I'll take a bottle of olive oil and a bottle of balsamic vinegar. Lastly, do you have any sauces or marinades?
Yes, we have soy sauce, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, and teriyaki marinade.
I'll take a bottle of soy sauce and a bottle of barbecue sauce. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome, sir. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for today. Thank you again.
Frozen foods and confectionery.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please help me locate the frozen food section?
Of course. The frozen food section is right over here. Is there anything specific you're looking for?
Yes, actually. I'm looking for some frozen fruits to make a smoothie. Do you have any recommendations?
We have a great selection of frozen fruits here. Our mixed berry blend is very popular, and we also have frozen mango, pineapple, and strawberries. They're all perfect for smoothies.
Great. I'll take the mixed berry blend. Do you also have any frozen vegetables?
Yes, we have a variety of frozen vegetables as well. We have everything from broccoli and cauliflower to peas and carrots. They're all flash frozen to lock in freshness and nutrients.
That sounds good. I'll take some frozen peas and carrots as well. Now, I'm also looking for some confectionery items. Can you point me in the right direction?
Of course. The confectionery section is just down this aisle. We have a wide selection of candies, chocolates, and other sweets. Is there anything specific you're looking for?
I'm looking for some dark chocolate and maybe some gummy bears.
We have a variety of dark chocolates to choose from, including some organic and fair trade options. And we have gummy bears in various flavors, including some that are made with real fruit juice.
That sounds perfect. I'll take some of the organic dark chocolate and a bag of the fruit juice gummy bears. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that should be everything. Thank you for your help.
Hygiene and cleaning product C.
Good morning. I'm looking for some cleaning products for my house. Could you help me out?
Good morning. Sure, I'd be happy to help. What type of cleaning products are you looking for specifically?
Well, I need a good all-purpose cleaner for my kitchen counters and bathroom surfaces.
Right, we have a variety of all-purpose cleaners. Are you looking for something eco-friendly or with a particular scent?
Eco-friendly would be great. I'm trying to be more conscious about the products I use.
Great choice. We have a few options that are biodegradable and made with natural ingredients. This one here is a popular choice and has a light citrus scent.
That sounds perfect. What about a good disinfectant spray? I want to make sure I'm killing any germs, especially with everything going on right now.
Absolutely. We have a few different disinfectant sprays that are EPA approved to kill viruses, including the one that causes COVID-19. This one here is a hospital-grade disinfectant and is also safe to use on food contact surfaces.
That's exactly what I need. I'll take a bottle of that as well. Do you have any good products for cleaning windows and glass?
Yes, we have glass cleaners that are streak-free and ammonia-free. This one here is even safe to use on tinted windows and won't leave any residue behind.
Great. I'll take that too. What about a good floor cleaner? I have hardwood floors and I want something that won't damage them.
We have a few different options for hardwood floor cleaners. This one here is pH neutral and won't leave any film or residue on your floors. It's also safe to use around pets and children.
That sounds good. Do you have any products for cleaning carpets or upholstery?
Yes, we have carpet and upholstery cleaners that are great for removing stains and odors. This one here is even safe to use on wool and silk fabrics.
Perfect. I'll take that as well. Lastly, do you have any good products for cleaning toilets and bathrooms?
Yes, we have toilet bowl cleaners that are powerful and effective at removing stains and killing germs. This one here also has a fresh scent and won't leave any harsh fumes in the air.
That's great. I'll take all of these products. Thank you for all of your help.
No problem at all. Is there anything else you need today?
No, That should be everything. Thank you.
Bakery and pastry.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for some fresh bread and pastries for a brunch I'm hosting tomorrow.
Great. We have a wide variety of bread and pastries to choose from. Would you like to start with bread?
Sure. What types of bread do you have?
We have sourdough, French baguette, whole wheat, multigrain, rye, pumpernickel, and ciabatta, just to name a few.
I think I'll take a sourdough loaf and a French baguette.
Excellent choice. Now, onto pastries. We have croissants, danishes, scones, muffins, and eclairs.
I'll take a dozen croissants and a half-dozen danishes. Do you have any fruit-filled pastries?
Yes, we have apple turnovers, cherry strudels, and berry tarts.
I'll take 6 apple turnovers and 6 berry tarts.
Anything else you'd like to add? We also have cookies, cupcakes, and cakes.
I think that will be all for now. Can you recommend a cake for a birthday party next week?
Of course. We have a variety of cakes such as chocolate ganache, vanilla sponge, red velvet, and carrot cake.
I'll take a chocolate ganache cake.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that will be all. Thank you for your help.
At the checkout counter.
Hello. Could you please ring up my items?
Sure. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. I have a few coupons I would like to use as well.
No problem. Just hand them to me and I will scan them for you.
Here you go.
Great. Your total comes to $45.67. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll be paying with my credit card.
All right. Please insert your card into the reader and follow the prompts.
Okay, done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.